Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weeklies from 18th till 24th of January 2021, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in this coming week. All right, so let's see what is there for my Pisces in the week from 18th till 24th of January 2021. What energies they are going to attract this week. All right, so let's see. To book a personal reading by me, you can DM me or message me in my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. You can also click the link for both of my accounts, which is given in the description box below if you want. Alright, so let's see. And this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so we have politics, success and understanding. Alright, so yes, this is a very, a situation which is interdependent, okay, interrelated, we would say. Politics and success, because when you are going towards success, when you are going towards victory in your world, in your life, in whatever you are doing, it might be your job, it might be your work, so you might be getting some recognition this week. So there might be some people who might not be so happy for this recognition of yours, but I'm seeing some kind of a recognition is coming towards you. See how beautiful this person is, just enjoying, and he is sitting on a tiger and he is going towards success. If not you are getting a recognition, if it is not happening, you are going towards something which is very prosperous, which is very which is going to give you a lot of victory in in your future, okay, if not in this week. And just stay away from those people who are really good at your face at one time, and they are like they are like back bitching kind of people who are just good at your face, but behind your back they are like, this person is not good and this person is like that and like that. So basically fake people, okay. And let's see, what else do we have from the tarot? What else do we have? Yeah, politics with 10 of Swords, 2 of Cups and success. Wow. So, and 2 of Swords and understanding. All right. So I got it. This is regarding, for some of you, this is an ending with some bad people in your life, some kind of those people who are betraying people, those who always try to just I already told you about those people who do backbiting and who just betray, and on whom you cannot trust. So there are people, but I'm seeing there is ending with such people of yours, okay. And with the success and with 2 of Cups, I'm really getting that this might be a person who is coming towards you in this week, somebody who always, with whom you feel like a soulmate energy. You feel with that person that this is the person, this is that one I want to live a life together forever, okay. So just open your eyes, just keep your eyes open and just see who is coming towards you. This might be a proposal coming towards you, with someone with whom you you have thought about a lot from last or past so many months or years. I'm also getting that there might be a date you are going on in this week. Yeah. Understanding and 2 of Swords. I'm really getting that energy where this person with the 2 of Swords over here is really very, very confusing energy. This is very confusing energy. This person does not know what to do, where to go, and he is really very he is confused. He is like in the crossroads, I would say. But when your mind stops working, what you have to listen towards your heart and understanding. See how beautiful this card. I really can relate this card with your energy, present energy, because this person is actually, going towards something which actually he or she wants. Basically, you want towards this thing with your heart, not from your mind. So you are closing your eyes, you're not listening to your mind now, you're going towards your whatever your heart wants you to do. It can be something related to your business as well. It might be something related to you, like in the office, job, career related, love related, like people going against your this relationship, if you are in love of this kind, because there are people who does not want you to be with this person of yours, and it's like they are just saying no. It can be your family as well, it can be relatives, somebody, your friends as well. So they do not want you to go towards this relationship, and at the end what you are doing, you are going to just you're going to see, you are going to actually look towards your heart, you are going to listen to your heart, and that is how it all looks to me. Yeah, you are not going towards your mind energy, you are listening to your heart this week. Very beautiful energy, Pisces. um, let's see what else do we have for Pisces. Ace of Wands. See, yes, you want to build a relationship with this person, with a very beautiful, new, passionate relationship. You are just going to listen to your heart. You're not going to listen to anyone around you. That is what it's looking to me with the Page of Rods. It's like that energetic energy, where that initiation is very good, very beautiful, and this person with the Page of Rods is very enthusiastic, always wants to try new things in life. And with this person, you always feel that if this is a love relationship, if not, you are definitely going to go towards recognition in life in future, in coming 6 months as well. And there's a job change as well, I'm really getting with the Ace of Rods over here. There's a new, you might have looked a lot into this thing, whatever this thing is. It might be a career aspect, you were thinking about it, you were thinking about the job change, and finally you are going to go towards this job change, this new life. You have thought about it, you have given your time, your energies to think about that particular thing. And you might have even studied, because the Page of Rods is here. This tells us about new studies, areas where passion is required. So you are finally going towards what you wanted to achieve, like in passion, creativity, we would say something different. Okay, a new business as well. So this is very beautiful energy. So this week, I'm really getting those people who are coming towards you with all the negative energy, and you are ready to end those energy. You are actually ready to end these negative energy. You are going in the crossroads with this person of yours, with whom you have already met, or you feel that this person is your soulmate, and you want to just achieve this person, you want to achieve success, you want to be with this person forever. There is understanding, there is everything in this relationship. All you need to know is you need to understand what you want. Okay, you have thought about it, you have given it all types of time, energies, everything you have given to this relationship, and you are ready to start a new relationship with this person. Very beautiful reading towards for you, Pisces. I really hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.